I want to hear my peeps, my family, guys. So I was playing around. I was like Russell Wilson, Marshawn Lynch. So now in this play, I was Marshawn Lynch. It wasn't really Marshawn Lynch. I was acting like I'm Marshawn Lynch. Now look at this run. Alright. And watch this run, man. So number 29, he gone. Whoop, 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 whoop. Bruh, look at all them people chasing me down. Aw, dang it. Y'all accidentally saw that. Y'all wasn't supposed to see that yet. Look at all them people chasing me down. On brown and white chasing me down. So look at this right here. A boy almost got hit. And God, look how I dove in. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Look how high I got, bro. That dude right there, number 27, almost got hit in the head. But anyway, yeah, man. Look how high I got, though. Wait. Hey, people in the white, move. Hold on. There we go. Now look how high I got. Take a picture on that.